This is daily flip number 42. I actually had to restart this episode because behind me is a truck. That's the Advanced Auto Parts delivery truck. They just delivered a H11 bulb that's gonna go in a 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. Being a commercial account, having a dealership and a garage attached, it's really nice when I need a part. I can just click a button on the computer and they send the part straight to me. So a lot of times if the price is close and I need it right now, I'm gonna order from Advance or Pep Boys or fill in the blank. If the parts and prices are comparable, Amazon, eBay are kind of our go-to to save money. So that's a nice thing about having a commercial account. Just a quick tip, if you do a lot of automotive repair, to save you time from driving, 10 minutes into town, walk around the store, 10 minutes there, 10 minutes back. Actually, before I had a dealership, I set up a commercial account with an Advanced Auto Parts. They would actually deliver to my actual house. So I put a card on file. I let them know, just leave the stuff on the front porch and they would drop it off. So I don't know if they'll do that where you are. I had a pretty cool account rep for the commercial side, and they just put the stuff on my front porch and left it. So I didn't actually have to be there. So anyway, today being Monday, I've been tying up a few loose ends. My desk is full of paperwork that I got to a little bit, but not quite all the way. I've been working towards actually building some stuff for the Car Flip website. If you are subscribed to the email list, you should see something in the near future. An email come across your inbox that will be titled something to the effect of a free car flipping roadmap. It's something I'm putting together, basically taking a little bit out of the paid course, and we're gonna give an overview of what a car flipping roadmap would look like. So basically where you are right now, you don't really know what to do, you don't know where to get started. This could be something that could help spur you along. And so I've just put that together. It's a video, and it's gonna be a series of 3 videos. After the roadmap, there's gonna be a few other things like how I got started and a flip in progress to show you what a flip actually looks like. So that's gonna be free. It's gonna be coming to your email inbox. If you're not subscribed, be sure to go to thecarflip.com, put your email address in there on the home page, and you'll be sure to get that email. It should go out either end of this week or next, so you'll see that in your inbox. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait to go out the front because my Advanced Auto Parts van is still out there. We've been working today on a project, a problem child vehicle, and this is my fault for buying it. I bought a vehicle with a bad transmission because I was in a hurry at an auction and I didn't drive it, so that's on me. But this is the replacement transmission here. So this is going to go in to replace this here. This is our transmission. This transmission sits in a cradle, so I don't know, our lighting's probably not the best, but there's a cradle here that supports the engine over here and the transmission over here. They're joined together right there. So we are going to, in this case tomorrow, when we have a couple extra hands, we're going to be lowering the cradle. We're gonna suspend and support the engine on this side, and then we're gonna lower the transmission separately. Our lift, our engine support bracket over here, unfortunately, which is what this assembly is right here, it is not, I'm gonna drop it actually, here we go. I'm gonna break it. It's not wide enough to fit on the the upper side, if that's a thing, on top of the engine bay. So we're having to kind of work around that. So tomorrow we'll have 4 people here, between myself, my full-time mechanic, my mechanic that does some side work for me is actually doing this one, and then my computer guy's gonna be here, so Yannick will get to jump in tomorrow and help hoist the engine down, so we're gonna do that. Otherwise, we should be trying out our tire machine hopefully soon. That's one thing I was working on today, is getting set up with a tire supplier, a distributor. I mentioned that a couple videos ago. I had a few people chime in and ask, can't you buy tires without being a dealer or a like a commercial type business? And yes, you can. Like, you can go on Amazon right now and save money by buying a tire on Amazon. Put your tire size in. You can definitely save money doing that, but this will allow me, actually, this company that I'm dealing with, this is the tire here. This is Atlantic Tire, distributors. So basically they're giving us wholesale pricing, and this isn't the only company that we're gonna be set up with, but this is the first one that we've actually got to come out to us. They like to come out and make sure you have a tire machine. Before they set you up, they don't just wanna sell tires to anybody, because other tire shops wouldn't like that. So they come, they verify that we have tire equipment. He took some tax information, so when we buy a tire, if the tire is 4713, that would obviously be a pretty small tire. For it to be that price, we're gonna pay $47.13, so we charge the sales tax on top of that to the customer. Because we have a tax exempt ID number. So that got set up today. I should have access to that tomorrow. I actually need a few tires for some of the vehicles in the lot I've been waiting on. And we'll actually walk out and take a look at which ones those are. This Equinox here could use a couple tires on the end. Trying to think any others. The HHR actually over here on the end. We've been working to get our front line beefed up a little bit. I think we have 11 out here now. The Odyssey inside will be 12. I have a Avalanche being painted right now. That'll be 13. Seems like there's something else, but I forget what it is. This here definitely needs a tire. Inside of, I guess underneath the rubber, there are metal layers, and it actually is already showing here. So before I can sell this, I have to have this tire replaced. The rest of them actually are pretty good. This should be a pretty cheap tire, so we're gonna experiment with our cost on this tire here. Otherwise, everything in the back is pretty much the same as the last episode. This is a new one. This is a new one. The HHR is a new one. And then the Avalanche on the front, not the Avalanche, the Equinox up there is a new one. So all in all, it's been a pretty productive day between paperwork. I actually had to do some detailing on the HHR. We washed every car on the front, and I had to remove some window tint from that Jeep Patriot over there because as a dealer it has to pass inspection in North Carolina. We can't have window tint below 32% visibility. So I had to remove the front two windows window tint. So tomorrow is going to be very much focused in on content for the website. So we're gonna be shooting some new videos. We're getting really close to the next course launch. So right now, registration is closed. If you go to thecarflipcourse.com, you're gonna see registration isn't open. In the next couple weeks, that will change and we're gonna reopen for a short period of time. So if you want information on that, check out thecarflipcourse.com. You can actually, there's a video there. You can see me talk about what's in it, how much it costs. You can put your email address in there to know firsthand when that launches. Otherwise, it is almost 6 o'clock. I have to leave here in the next couple minutes. I'm meeting the family for supper. We're doing burgers somewhere, so that'll be fun. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Daily Flip.